How to fix Instagram messages. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds after that scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, force stop the app and then go to the permissions, enable all the permissions like this, and after that go back, click on the data usage, disable these options here, go back and then click on this storage, click on clear cache from here and clear data. Go back into the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and after that disable it. So all what you want to do next is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and update from here. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.